Okay, morning. Today is day 78. Okay, and we are at campsite 323. Okay, so this campsite right has a cafe along with it. Okay, and a nice area to chill. We didn't really try out the food or the drinks here, but it's something that's nice to have. Okay, and it's just located beside here, River Kwai. Okay, so let's go and check out the toilet. Okay, the toilet right comes with the ladies section over here. Okay, and then there's the guy section over there. Okay, so it's pretty basic, but it's clean. Okay, you have a shower. Okay, you have toilet. Okay, bum gun, and you have very nice long hanger for clothes. Yeah, it's basic, but water pressure is good and it works. There are some accommodation here as well for people to stay. Probably some glamping like setup. Okay, and when you go to the area right where the vehicle is parked, I already shifted the vehicle. Okay, there will be electrical socket located to this next to where a vehicle is parked, so very convenient. See? Yeah. It may sound weird, but like I said before, not all campsite has a rubbish disposal service. Okay, but this one does. So, yep, and it's convenient because if it doesn't have, normally we will drive to the nearest petrol kiosk and dump our stuff there. Not a big deal, but just an additional task along the way. Yeah, and this place is also located very near to the Kanchanaburi city. So you can see right across there is River Kwai, right? Okay, and then once we cross that river is Kanchanaburi city already, so it's very near. Yeah, so overall this is a nice campsite. Okay, not much mosquito also. Yeah, we may come back tonight to stay on another campsite, but for now we are gonna go to find Joe and Bloomin again, because I think Joe has the fuel filter part. Yeah, and he may be able to help us change it. So yeah, there is one last repair that we can complete. This is our first home cooked meal by Hui Jing. Okay, it is braised mushroom noodle. Yeah. No, it looks so good. We are back home in Joe's. So while Joe is having lunch, okay, I'm gonna try to fix the computer table. So what happens now, right, is on rocky terrain, the computer table actually shifts a bit, moves like that. Yeah, it's secured to the ground, but it shifts. So what happens is it moves out. Sometimes it will hit against the door and it causes the door to be ajar. Yeah, so it's a bit annoying because you can hear the wind sound. Although the door is not loose, it's just very annoying. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to shift this table inwards a bit more and try to make it not be able to shake so much on rocky terrain. So I don't have enough of this aluminium profile, right, to reinforce the top to prevent it from shaking. So what I did was this whole table, I shifted it inside. So now it's much further away from the door. Yeah, so hopefully when it rocks now, it doesn't hit the door and cause it to be dislodged a bit.
โอ้หนุ่มเบนกองมันเล็กมากเลยว่ะกองอุ้ยนัดรถ
Okay, the fuel filter is out already.
you. Green thing is damn good.
Is it good?
Yeah, man.
น้องอุ่มมันโพสต์หาไอ้คนยกเต่าเนี่ยโพสต์บ่อยนะแต่ไม่ค่อยโทรนะดิ
How are your nails?
Very good. Only 250 baht.
See?
These are the best peppery eggs in Thailand. So right, Tom was very confident that it's egg that we need, and I was very confident that it's not. Turns out that it's hot dog. Ay sayang both, okay? Okay.
Yeah, so we are back already. Joe managed to find us the last fuel filter to change. Yeah, we should be good now. All the repairs are done. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Nights like that are so hard to come. We just met up with our old friend, which is the technician in Kanchanaburi. Had a good drink, had a good laugh. So, and then we're gonna meet them for fishing tomorrow at the dam. Yeah, and I actually think that although they tell me that they want to go fishing, I mean they have planned for it, but I think like they know because we wanted to go fishing at the dam. Yeah, they specially arrange, for us. So yeah, I think friendship like this is very rare already. It comes at that.
Hard to come by.
Hard to come by.
Yeah.
So now we are gonna go get the best beer for them in the big sea. Yeah, so they will settle the food and the arranging for the fishing boat, and we will settle the beer. Yeah. Okay, we are ready for the dam fishing tomorrow. Woo! Okay, in front is the Ozone campsite. I think we are here already. Make a left turn here, right? Wow, damn nice, yeah. The signage. Oh, the guy. Okay, I think we are here. We're following the lady in red. Yeah. Nice. Okay, this campsite seems like a very good campsite. It's called Ozone campsite. Yeah, we just finished the toilet and we really had a very good impression. Okay, so the plan is to do a camp tour tomorrow morning because it's very late already. Yeah, we're just packing up for the night and we're gonna call it a day. Good night.
Good night.